Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in algebra. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. Then what is the value of x power 5 plus 1 by x power 5? Friends, x power 5 plus 1 by x power 5 can be expressed as x cube plus 1 by x cube into x square plus 1 by x square minus of x plus 1 by x. Friends, x cube plus 1 by x cube further factorized into or expressed as x plus 1 by x whole cube, x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 into x plus 1 by x, 3 into x plus 1 by x. X square plus 1 by x square can be expressed as x plus 1 by x whole square, x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 and x plus 1 by x is equal to 3 minus 3. Friends, x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. 3 cube minus 3 into 3. 27 minus 9, 18. X plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. 3 square minus 2, 7 minus 3. Friends, 126 minus 3, 123 is the value of x power 5 plus 1 by x power 5 friends. Thank you.